Welcome to Crafting Legacy episode 10. This week is all about creativity, branding, and a bit of reality check. First up, Nick and I went to the factory here in Toronto to get some high quality reels about how our product is made. We make sure that every shot looks professional, and here's a sneak peek of what we captured. Later this week, I went to Andrew's house to create some personal branding content for him. We created this clean and professional vibe at his house. And then that was Ron, giving Nick the ultimate reality check when he asked Ron about his opinion on the chosen music for an Instagram reel.
This is like a trending audio.
No, I think it's fine. What do you feel is cheesy about it?
I don't. Is the music cheesy? Because normally I like pick my own music, and I'm like, it's fucking hard. The struggle is real to find music. But then, like, we haven't tried a trending audio yet. This is trending. It's like,
So yeah. The music's not my vibe, but
yeah.
If you're doing it, I don't know what the metrics are.
But
it just helps with.
Even though, yeah, it's not my vibe. But like, is it fitting, or does the music make this video cheesy? Would it be cooler if we just do something overall?
I don't know. I don't want to interfere with what you guys are trying to build, but for me personally, I think we always got to choose music that is like for our brand, but I know it's very difficult with the licensing and everything.
Nah, don't worry. We're throwing that to the wind.
I feel like we got to stick to our guns and like
pick our own.
Pick music that represents our brand.
All right, you heard it here first. That's what my gut told me.
But I don't know what this whole online stuff is like. Are we gonna losing out on billions of views because we're not picking that stupid song? Like,
nah.
That song to me is dumb.
Yeah. Okay.
It doesn't represent our brand.
This is why I asked Ron. I knew he was gonna give me the hard truth. That's what I wanted to hear.
That's all for this week. If you'd like to see behind the scenes about this brand, make sure you give us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more things like this in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!